Hey, y'all. Good morning. Good morning. This is Tonetta, your girl Tonetta. I hope y'all doing well. Of course, you're a social worker, coach, and you're creative too. So like I said, definitely welcome to this video this morning. I know I'm probably talking fast. I know I got to get it to work this morning, but I want to make sure that I got this video done. This is video number 2, for the change challenge actually I'm doing for myself. So like I said, definitely yesterday, I know I did the first video just talking about how I wanted to, of course, create some change within the way that I think, but I guess in some of the ways that I think, I guess I put it that way. Some of the cursing, that kind of thing too, I'll get to that, I'm sure. But like I said, for me, mainly at this time is to make sure, that I'm doing what needs to be done in order for me to shift some things in my mindset. So I won't be so upset, so frustrated, that kind of thing, which happened yesterday, actually. So I'll tell y'all about that. Yesterday, on Saturday, I had ordered, I went to Walmart and got, cause I'm learning how to, of course, create balloon decor, in the event space. I guess I put it that way. So I went and got an inflatable air pump, an electric one and like a manual one. Yesterday I was trying to blow up the balloons, and neither one of them pumps would actually work. I was so upset, y'all. I was so mad. I'm like, this is totally ridiculous. I don't want to spend which I knew I could take it back and get another one. It wasn't a problem. I actually just took it back and ordered one from Amazon. The ones I see the girls on YouTube and the guys on YouTube using, I just went ahead and ordered that one, the hand pump and the electric pump. I'm like, this is not going to happen again. But like I said, I was so frustrated yesterday. I'm like, okay, I have to, once I got in the car, because my partner took me to go to Walmart to take this stuff back, so that I can get the funds back and whatnot, so I can order something else. Like I said, the other new pump and that kind of thing. Like I said, I was cursing, so upset. I'm sick of this. I'm not going to do this anymore, this kind of thing. Like I said, I was just so upset. And like I said, I had to realize that's how upset I get when I get upset when something does not work. I guess I put it that way. In my mind, I'm sitting up here doing the right things and doing the right things, and something's still not working out. That is very frustrating for me. And like I said, it has always been. It's not just yesterday, and it's not just any other day, but it's always been like that for me. Because like I said, in my mind, I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. Why isn't this working out? I guess I put it that way. And like I said, I was so upset, but I know I have to also realize that, at least for me at this present point, that sometimes things are just not going to work out, I guess, which I already know that. I've been knowing that for years, but I just keep taking myself through the same thing, still getting frustrated, still getting upset when something doesn't work out. And like I said, this is the main thing that I want to change with this challenge. And like I said yesterday, I had to, I just sat quiet, of course, after I got done talking and all this kind of being upset and everything, just sat quiet in the car, just thinking that kind of thing. But I realized then, like I said, this is just my check-in, but I realized then that I had to catch myself. And whenever you are trying to change anything about yourself, I don't care if it's your mindset, if it's your thoughts, or if it's your weight, if it's, I don't know, you want to move to another location, whatever it is, learning how to bake, learning how to garden, whatever it is, you have to catch yourself. You have to realize the pattern that's going wrong in order to start changing that pattern. And yes, that's going to mean you have to confront yourself. And you're right, Lauren, it's definitely a divine learning curve. You're definitely right. Like I said, you definitely have to confront yourself and let yourself know that this is the pattern that you're trying to change. And you have to that's always the first step, just realizing that pattern's there. And that's something, like I said, for me, that's something that I definitely need to change. I know it has to change. I guess I put it that way. And like I said, definitely, because I know a lot of folks get frustrated. I'm pretty sure everybody gets frustrated. I'm sure of that. But like I said, definitely, there's always a way to respond and a way to handle that. I guess I put it that way. Sometimes it's okay, but it just depends on the situation. Because I was hot yesterday. Because I was really had my mind made up, ready to get these balloons going and go ahead and get started trying to learn how to make all these balloon arches and do all this stuff. And now it's nothing, really. Nothing at all. So I'm just like, okay, now I got to wait for this other pump to come in. It's not going to be here until Mother's Day on Sunday. Well, supposedly Sunday or Monday. I'll just say Monday. It said the 8th, so I think that's Sunday. But like I said, definitely, I would just, it is not that it is that the pumps didn't work, but I guess for me, it's my expectations as well. And there's one thing I'm just not realizing as I'm talking, that definitely was my expectations. Expecting to go ahead and have all this stuff done yesterday and have all these things blowed up and get things going. And like I said, definitely next time I'll just wait until it comes and, start using it and see how it goes. I guess I put it that way. Instead of just trying to expect things to always be on time because I'm one that loves to be on time. I don't like procrastination. I don't like late stuff. I hate that kind of stuff. I really do. To me, that just shows laziness. But like I said, that's just me. But that's just how I push myself with everything. But like I said, definitely that drives me crazy. And like I said, definitely, I just know that that next time I'll expect the pump to come. I'll expect all this stuff to come. But like I said, I just have to realize that, when I see it working, I guess then I know it'll start working. I guess I put it that way. Once I start getting the balloons blowed up, I'll just know that the pump actually works. I guess I'd say that. And yes, you're definitely right. Patience is definitely a virtue. I definitely know that I'm one that actually does not have a lot of patience with certain things. And when it comes to things like this, I know that's one that's why I'm doing this challenge too. Like I said, that's one of the things I know I need to work on. As far as the patience, as far as the frustration level with things and stuff like that. Like I said, that's always been the issue since I was been a young kid, actually. So I know that for a fact. And like I said, that's something that I definitely, which I know is not going to change in it's not going to fully change at all in these 30 days. But like I said, for me, just doing this challenge for myself, just trying to make sure I'm pointing out these things, because I know I'm not the only person that's, of course, going through this or have these kind of mindsets, I guess I put it that way. And are these thoughts of that kind of thing that need to be kind of lessened, I put it that way. So like I said, definitely that's why I'm doing this challenge. But you're definitely right. Patience is a virtue. And that's one thing that I have not had. I've had it in certain situations. It depends on the situation. But I feel, like I said, the same things. Like I said, something definitely, that's something, like I said, that is something that I definitely need to change. I guess I'd say that. And you're definitely right. You're definitely right, Lauren, that God is pointing the attention to something that does not serve you. And you're definitely right. Because I know none of those things actually serve me at all. I can tell you that. None of them do. Because like I said, when I get so frustrated, I'm like, I'm ready to give up. I'm ready to quit. This is stupid. This is dumb. And same thing I said yesterday. Like I said, that is definitely something that is definitely pointing my attention to that too. I put it that way. And that's why I said yesterday, in the video yesterday morning, like I said, just me realizing, which I've realized these things over the years. Some of the things I worked on, some of it I haven't fully, I guess I put it that way. And like I said, this is one of the things that I know I need to work on, considering where I'm going to, where I'm headed to, and that kind of thing. So like I said, definitely I know I got to get off here, get into the buildings. I got to start work this morning. So definitely think I will reply to your comments later on as well. But definitely thank you for tuning in, and thank you, Lauren, Nasna Bar. Like I said, thank you both for tuning in, and for anybody that watches the replay. Like I said, I know, like I told y'all, I'm always open, honest, and transparent with everything that I do. And this, I'll be the same way. I mean, it's the same thing for everything. So like I said, definitely, I know that my lessons and the things that I go through is something that somebody else can learn from as well. I'm pretty sure of that. So like I said, definitely, I'll talk to y'all later as I got to get into the office. But take care, y'all, and have a great one. I'll see y'all tomorrow morning about this same time. Peace out.